Hey guys, this is Layla Melgosa doing Mission Report 9, Saturn. So I chose this picture. You can see its rings, you can see Saturn's rings and the stars in the background. So now we talk about Saturn's location. This is currently Saturn today, March 28, 2018. You can see the distance from the Sun and from Earth. You can also see the distance. There's Saturn from Earth and from the Sun. And you can see it again. And it's the 6th planet away from the Sun. So you can't see Saturn tonight in the sky, so no, I couldn't see it. It is one of the 5 brightest planets though, so at some point you can see Saturn. It rotates counterclockwise from west to east, and Saturn travels 21,637 miles per hour when orbiting around the Sun. For one orbit around the Sun, it takes 29.4 Earth years. Saturn to the Sun, the distance is 888.2 million miles away. So you can definitely see Saturn's like detailed design on it, and then this one you can see like the rings on both pictures. You can see like the small tiny rocks to like the huge rocks that we're about to go over. The interior of Saturn, this is the atmosphere. This is the liquid hydrogen and helium. This is the liquid metallic on the blue part, hydrogen and helium, and then obviously the core is in the center. And this, we talk about the spacecraft soon. So, the ring particles, which is right here, and right here, are made mostly of water and ice and rocky material. The billion of particles ranging from grains of sand to mountain-sized chunks. So that's crazy to think about, that it could be just like tiny and then huge, all scattered into rings. Saturn has an enormous atmosphere made mostly of hydrogen, some helium, small methane, and ammonia. So we got all this information, but how? So NASA's spacecraft called Cassini, hopefully I said that correctly, but it launched on October 15, 1997 and came back November 15, 2017. So exactly 20 years. But it captured many pictures, got information from the rings, which I just told you guys, and yeah, it was very useful. So this is a bad boy right here named Cassini. And the fascinating facts is Saturn is the least dense of all planets. In about 100 million years, Saturn's rings will be gone since most rings have dropped into space. Saturn cannot support life, but some of its moons might have conditions that support life, and Saturn's volume is 755 times greater than the Earth. So you can see how close it is, or like the size of Saturn compared to Earth, and this is another picture of Saturn, and this is my reference.